Yes, hello everyone. This is Amit here. Now, see, technically, we can see since last few days, US markets are trending lower. Some amount of mild correction is visible in Dow Jones and S&P 500. Similarly, now we can see similar kind of correction in the Indian indices as well. Nifty lost around 7.5% from the recent high. Now see, Nifty rallied by almost 37% from the March month, and after these rally, some amount of corrective phase is visible. On Friday, we have seen a sharp recovery from the lower levels, but today it failed to provide any positive follow-up through. Even on Friday, it failed to surpass the levels of 10,000. And also, if you look at the Friday's price structure and derivatives data, now see, Friday's recovery was more mainly because of short covering, and in today's trade it opened on a negative note and it remained in a negative territory throughout the session. Thereby it failed to surpass the levels of 10,000. So going ahead, ongoing corrective phase is likely to continue. Traders can simply consider 10,000 to act as an immediate hurdle zone. If it sustains below 10,000, then it might again revisit levels of 9,700 and 95,000 on the lower side. Similarly, now see for Bank Nifty read by almost 27% from the recent low. But despite such a sharp recovery, now still negative divergence between Bank Nifty and Nifty is visible. Nifty surpassed its March month's peak, while Bank Nifty is still hovering below its March month's peak. So which basically indicates that underperformance of heavy weighted index, which is Bank Nifty. Going ahead, now see, even Bank Nifty recovered sharply in Friday's trade, but it failed to provide any required momentum on the upside. Today it settled below levels of 20,000. So even going ahead, if it sustains below 20,000, then some amount of correction towards the levels of 19,500 and 19,000 is possible. Within banking space, today we have seen that PSU Bank is relatively holding ground. It ended on a positive note today, but with PSU Bank index, sustainability is always question mark. So follow-up action need to be closely watching the PSU Bank index, because if it fails to provide any positive follow-up, it might again resume its prevailing downtrend. Apart from that, now see, mid cap index is relatively holding ground, and apart from mid cap index, most of key indices are still trading below below their immediate hurdle zone. So any negative follow up in the sectors like auto, FMCG, or we can say Nifty Financial Index. So any negative follow-up in these sectors could attract some amount of underperformance from near-term perspective. On recommendation part, keep an eye on stocks like Bajaj Finance, Britannia, Kotak Bank, because any negative follow-up in these stocks could attract some amount of price correction. So these stocks can be short at current levels or during any intraday recovery, because gradually it is likely to correct by some 6 to 8% from the current levels. Thank you. That's all from my side.